Hi. Welcome to Weight Loss Master. Are you tired of the stubborn fat? Bored and exhausted trying different ways to get rid of it, and still not achieving the desired results? That deposited stubborn fat not only brings you the shape disfigurement but also brings you the sarcastic comments from your friends and colleagues. Weight gain brings in a significant problem called as obesity. Obesity is considered as the mother of various health issues, including physical health and mental health of a person. Obesity usually leads to diabetes, blood pressure, cardiac arrest, etc. in physical health. Mentally, it disturbs the brain performance through stress, anxiety, lower self-esteem, and many more such critical issues. There are various methods available for weight loss, such as exercise, dieting, yoga, etc. But these methods take a lot of time and patience. To get the desired results with these methods, you should follow a strict routine, and this will take a lot of time. And being humans, we are quite impatient. We want results as early as possible because we don't want to wait for that long time of 1 or 2 years. Also, we have to cut on our diet. We have to leave our favorite food and all. But now you need not worry because there is an excellent method, which will help you in cutting down your extra fat, giving you the better shape that you strive for. The plan is straightforward to follow and is very convenient to use also. Why does it have scientists, doctors and celebrities buzzing? The most talked about weight loss product is finally here. Ketosis Advanced is a powerful fat-burning weight loss program with a scientifically formulated BHB supplement to help support your instant fat-burning program. Beta-hydroxybutyrate is the first substrate that kicks the metabolic state of ketosis advanced into action. If you take it, BHB is able to start processing in your body, resulting in support for success. This advanced ketosis BHB supplement is a revolutionary breakthrough that has the media in a frenzy. Ketosis Advanced with BHB is here to stay because of the unsurmountable success people are having losing up to 1 pound of fat per day. This amazing way to burn your fat is known as Ketosis Advanced. Ketosis Advanced is a specially formulated supplement which helps in burning your fat easily and effectively in lesser time. This is a dietary supplement course of about 30 days. It is considered as the easiest method of burning your stubborn fat deposited from years. The technique is very useful and provides 100% results. The ingredients are entirely natural and safe to be used by anyone. Ketosis Advance is a magical supplement. It will burn your years-old stubborn fat like magic. You should give it a try if you are suffering from any weight issues. This supplement will help you in melting down your extra fat. To see the before and after difference, do take a picture before starting the ketosis course. Take your photos at some period, while you are taking the supplement. This way, you would quickly notice the change in your shape. Follow keto-friendly diet and snacks along with the supplement. When you order your first shipment of Ketosis Advanced, you'll also receive out our results-based online fitness program and ketosis diet guide. This information is exclusively for Ketosis Advanced customers, and is not available to the general public. How does it work? It is the most natural form of energy that is used by our body. The problem of this methodology is that the stored fat in the form of carbs gets deposited in your body, and which in turn makes you gain more and more fat, making you obese day by day. These carbs make you feel tired, stressed, and unenergetic. But when you enter ketosis by using advanced ketosis supplement, ketones are produced, which converts your stored fat into energy that your body utilizes. The supplement helps your body to enter ketosis more efficiently and intensely faster. And this will, in turn, helps in burning your fat, which gets converted into energy. In ketosis, fat burns, not carbohydrates. During ketosis, fat is the only source of energy. This will also increase your mental ability. Ketones are known as the fuel molecules and generally release fatty acids. Only these fatty acids are burnt to obtain the energy needed by the body. Also, it does not have any fat to get deposited further, which helps in maintaining your body weight by losing the extra accumulated fat from your body. You will see a massive change in a few weeks. One more critical function of BHB is that it helps in blocking the enzymes which tend to release fats. Hence it stops any sort of fat deposits in your body, thus maintaining a lean muscle. Those fat-releasing enzymes are adenylate cyclase, cyclic AMP, lipase, and similar others. The dosage of the supplement is very easy. You have to take 2 pills a day, with your proper keto meal. It is a complete fat loss course in which you will be getting an online diet and exercise guide, which will help you a lot in your get into shape journey. If you are willing to buy this supplement, I am 100% sure you will never regret. You can buy this advanced supplement, simply click Buy Now button below. Ketosis Advanced is a supplement and keto diet program that allows the body to begin converting into a state of ketosis. Featuring a special blend of ingredients, Ketosis Advanced is a safe and simple way to support a ketosis diet. The Ketosis Advanced supplement contains beta-hydroxybutyrate, BHB, and supports the metabolic state and supports ketosis interaction. Revisiting the scenario from before, if you either take supplemental forms or if your body is making beta-hydroxybutyrate, it is able to start processing in your body. Beta-hydroxybutyrate floats around in your blood, and importantly, can cross different important barriers to be able to be turned into energy at all times. One of the most important areas where this happens is in the brain. The blood-brain barrier, BBB, is usually a very tightly regulated interface, but since BHB is such a rock star and so hydrophilic, your brain knows to let it in so it can support energy. This is one of the main reasons why increased BHB levels can lead to heightened mental acuity. Asterisk. Get slim, healthy, and confident again with our unique Ketosis Advanced program. Ideal for both men and women, Ketosis Advanced is a dynamic and powerful ketosis dietary program that will assist weight loss, promote abdominal fat burn, and support better digestion and sleep. Asterisk. The Ketosis Advanced program supports: Number 1. Weight loss. Number 2. Burning fat in trouble areas. Number 3. Getting into ketosis fast. Number 4. Burning fat for energy without the jitters. Number 5. Better brain health. Number 6. Maintaining lean muscle. Go ahead and start your weight loss journey from today.